Hello, welcome to Lit Bricks. My name is Mike, and today we will be lighting up the Cullen House. This is the house from the Twilight series. There was books, never read them. Did watch the movies though. They weren't bad, can't complain. The ending of the movie was hilarious, though, I will say. Great build, cool house. I wouldn't actually mind making a mock of this somehow, or maybe making two of these together in a big giant version of it. I don't know. Either way, it was a great build. It's really cool inside. It's detailed. It looks cool on the outside. It actually came with Kristen Stewart's father's truck as well, which is over on the table still. I didn't bring it over here because, oh wait, it does get lights. I'm going to have to go grab it. Either way, not important. What's important is we will be using a Light My Bricks kit. This is a big box, so I'm expecting there to be lots of lights in here. Again, don't know what exactly is lit up, not lit up. I'd imagine it's going to be awesome. It looks pretty cool. And yeah, so we'll get into it. I'll open up the inside, show you what's going on, just like I always do. And I know I was going to do a video, walk around video, but I have some other things going on, and I didn't feel like doing it. So we're doing this instead. We'll do that next time. So let's get into it. All right, here's the inside of the first floor. Cool grand piano. What are you doing? Hey. Hey, you. What are you doing? Hey. Don't do that. Thank you. Grand piano. A cool bookshelf. You know, vampires love to read because they're super old and they've been alive forever. Checkerboard. And some flowers and stuff. Not much going on. But what's here is cool, I will say. And now you see why I wouldn't mind building a bigger version of this. It'd be pretty sweet, actually. But there's the first floor. There's, I think her name was Bella. Yep, in the tree with her vampire boyfriend. There's Wolf Dude. Yeah. Oh, what is his name? I can't remember. It'll come to me while I'm building, and then I'll just blurt it out loud. Alright, let's see what's in the first bag. Alright, what's in bag one? What? Oh, cool. This must be for Bella's dad's truck. I know the fans of this are going to kill me for not knowing any of these names, but like I said, it was a while since I watched it. I never read the books. I did enjoy the movies, though. Either way, power brick. So I'd imagine this is going to be powering up the car. And that means I'm going to have to go buy batteries. I do kind of wish they supplied batteries for those. But whatever, it's okay. Connecting board, extra pieces, a tether, some flux cables. Ooh, a 50 centimeter, I like that. Looks like we got some, don't know what this is, red, all right. Oh, I bet you this is just for the car. I bet you first bag is the car, which I don't even have over here. All right, I better go get the car. Oh, it is the car. Here's headlights and taillights, provided by LMB, with a little notch in them so you can get the wire through easier. All right. All right, so the truck was first. Here's all the pieces you got to take off of it. And then we're starting with the headlights, which are just some warm white lights, I believe. Yep. Cool. All right. Yep, here's the truck. Well, what's left of it. All right, taillights are in. Headlights are in. Gotta see them there. Everything's run on the bottom. And they're probably going to put that battery pack up in the bed of the truck. I'd imagine there's nowhere else to put it, so yeah. Cool. Okay, so I don't have a battery for that. And there is an extra port down here, so you could feasibly, with this 50 centimeter that I'm not sure where it's going to go wire, hook this truck up to the house and not use this box. But you can actually, if you turn this box on, you can actually check it with an actual battery box, and it does work. So, cool. All right, onto the house. All right, bag 2. What do we got? All right, so the usual suspect. Plug dude. Connecting board for lights and power. Oh, wireless power connector. One wireless power connector and one light. Looks like this is going to be white and a couple of extra little pieces. So not much in bag 2. Let's see what this is all about. All right, so the one bulb in this bag, one light in this bag, is underneath these stairs. And there's the wireless power connector. And this light is facing this way, so it's probably going to spotlight this piano, I'm guessing. Yeah, so that's it for this bag. Well, we got this and a connecting board or wire, but I'm assuming this is just going to go to power somewhere. And this, maybe 2? I don't know. Either way, on to bag 2. All right, already on to bag 3. Flying through this. Okay, this is going to take some more time. Okay, so we got some meteor lights. Awesome. A couple of them. Some 5 centimeter connecting cables or flux cables. Looks like we got another. That's a 15 centimeter wireless power connector. Light blue light. Another clear light. Wireless power connector. Another connecting board. Looks like some spotlight elements. Lots of connecting boards and wireless power connectors. Very little lights. 2 more lights. I'm sure it'll look great though. Oh, there's the 50 for the car. All right, cool. Let's start bag 3. All right, bag 3 is the second floor, where the kitchen is, and it's a very cool looking modern kitchen, just like in the movie. There's Mr. Cullen chilling on the couch, staring out the window, dreaming about eating humans, but they don't eat humans. They only eat animals. But I really like the porches, the porch here. It's really cool. I like that. And there's one out back too. I like that a lot. Again, this place is really cool, so I can highly recommend this build. It was fun. It was fun to build too. So anyway, let's see what the second floor has to offer. All right, bag 3 is complete. Everything is on the bottom floor. Well, on the bottom of the second floor, which is going to light up the inside of the first floor. We have some meteor lights. 1 spotlight that's going to shine down, I believe, on the front of the house. I think it's the front. Oh, it might be the back. I don't know. I'll figure it out when I put it back on. Lightman Bricks did supply these awesome little connectors here to hold the wires down. And these are just meteor lights. And everything is connected to the wireless power connector up top and the one below. And we're on to the next bag. Okay, bag 4. This feels like a bunch of parts. Basically, it's a bunch of parts. All right, so what do we got? Another meteor light. Some flat tile pieces. Connecting cables, a 30 and a 5. A large light blue light. I think this and this may be spotlight moonlight for the werewolf that's on top of the house. That's exactly what this is. Ha! Cool. All right, let's do it. This is the top floor of the Cullen House. Little lounge area with a record player. Probably, yeah, you can see it. There's like a jukebox or an old radio in there, and a bathroom. And I don't know why they need a bathroom. Maybe for guests, I guess. So yeah, top floor. Pretty cool. And we're almost done, so I can't wait. Okay, so these definitely are moonlight spotlights. There's a big large light in there, and the meteor light, when on the bottom of these tiles, it's just going to be a hallway light for here. For this awesome upstairs bathroom / hangout spot. I don't know about you, but I'm not sure I'd want a clear door in my bathroom. It's kind of weird. Okay, so before I open up the last bag, here's the other spotlight for the moon. And this is actually shining down at the bottom of this tree. I may change that when I turn this on and see what it looks like. Well, the moonlight does shine down. I can't really shine it up, so I guess I have to do that. Never mind. It's shining down. And it'll be high enough. Actually, it's on the top of this, so it should actually be up here. Perfect. Never mind. I don't know what I'm worried about. And there's one more connecting cable here that's going to go somewhere, obviously. But we're on to the last bag, so let's open it up. All right, so lots of lights in this last bag. Well, lots of meteor lights anyway. There's like 3 of them in here. There's 2, 3, another connecting cable or board. Some tethers, some flux. See this one, oh wait, nope. This is a wireless power connector. Yep, some more connecting cables and some meteor lights, and then we're done. So, awesome. Can't wait to see what this looks like in the dark. Okay, here's the bottom of the next floor. That is going to light up this floor, the kitchen area. Just like the floor before it, a couple meteor lights, connecting board. And again, the new style allows you to actually snap this into the other Lego instead of having some stupid adhesive piece, which is a game changer in my opinion. But anyway, there it is. We got 1 light left, and it's probably going to go over there, I'm assuming. All right, let's put this back together and see what it looks like. Yep, here's the bottom of this floor. It's going to go on top of this. It's going to connect to that. That was horrible. And then we're done. So let me hook this up and put it back together, clean up here, and we'll turn it on and see what it looks like. All right, so we're done. Alexa, turn off basement lights, or turn off ceiling lights.
Okay.
All right. Look at that. Pretty awesome. There's some moonlight. Got some moonlight lighting up Bella, and I still can't remember his name. I literally just watched this the other day, I swear. Looks good, though. I know that's Jacob. Let's go around back. Oh, yeah. Look at that. You can see up through all the awesome windows. There's like a little cool spotlight down here to kind of accentuate the moonlight. I like it. Looks great, actually. So it looked pretty cool. Next to, I think this is over next to Kevin McAllister's house at the moment. I really like those meteor lights, though. They do resemble real lighting very well. I wonder if I can zoom in. Yeah, those ones up there. It does look pretty cool. I like it. Alright, so let's get it in the city and hook it up. Ha! I just remembered. His name is Edward. Yes! It finally came to me. I didn't want to look it up. I knew it. Bella and Edward. Now you can't be mad at me. Alright, so got the Cullen house back in its little spot for now until I can make more tables and move all this crap, because all this is not going to stay here. Most of this is, whole length of this side is going to be Christmas, Western, scary, all the way down the line here. Because I have more things that I can add to it. Either way, let's see what this looks like. Alexa, turn off ceiling lights. Alexa, turn on basement lights. Alexa, turn on basement lights.
Okay.
All right. That looks pretty good. And I did go ahead and hardwire the truck. Looks better that way. Moonlight over here. The back of it looks pretty good. I got my crazy lights here. I like changing those. It's not what we're here for. So, Cullen House looks great. But it won't be here forever. So, this is going to be out in the woods, kind of, along with the X Mansion. And it's going to be at the end of all of this stuff. So the X Mansion will have to go into the woods somewhere, because that's kind of where it's supposed to be. And yeah, we'll go from there. Either way, Cullen House is complete. Looks pretty good. Let's finish up this video. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like. That'd be great. Subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And next time, folks, I will do the walk around full tour video, I swear. I just didn't really feel like doing it today. I felt like lighting. So we lit some stuff. I don't know what I'm lighting next. Honestly, I don't have any lights. Well, I do. Old stuff that I can do little things with, but not any kits. So I think the next kit I'm going to buy is probably the Ninjago, the new Ninjago set. It's up for pre-order now. I just haven't done it yet because, you know, it's costs money and I have to pay for all this stuff. So, and I just bought a tractor the other day, so now I'm going to ride on my lawnmower instead of pushing it. So I can't wait for that because I'm getting old and I'm getting lazy. So yeah, until next time, folks, have a wonderful day.